Dear teachers, we are going to revisit the Google Forms. Already you are familiar with Google Forms, how to create quizzes. Now we are going to revisit how to make an elegant quiz and how can we integrate the certificates delivery automation process with Google Forms. Just log in your Gmail account. Just I have logged in, and in the right hand side you can see the three corners, that is Google Apps. From that I am taking Google Drive. Now we can see all the files in my Google Drive. In the left hand side you can see a plus symbol, that is new. If we click, you can see lot of options. For example, file upload is there, folder upload is there. If you want to upload a file from your computer to Google Drive, you can use file upload. If you want to upload a folder, you can upload the folder from your computer. I am going to take the Google Forms. You can select the more option, and from that Google Forms click. So Google Forms can be created separately. So far we have studied Google Forms along with Google Classroom. Now I am going to create a separate Google Form, that is quiz, and how to integrate the Certify-M automation process. Just to select title, I am giving a sample quiz, okay, and give the first question name. I am using name and short answer, and it is a required field. Just I make it fast, and I am adding another question, designation. I am making it so fast, and the other details you can collect. Now after collecting these two details, I am asking directly going to question 1, what is or which is, sorry, capital of India I am using. So here A, Chennai. These are the things you are familiar with. Delhi and Mumbai or Bombay. Okay. And here you can see the options are question I have made. Like this you can make any number of questions. I change the question here. So after designation, so name, designation, after that the question. So the question is required, and here the option is shuffled, all these things, and inserting pictures, and you can insert another page, for example add next section. So all these things you can do. So already you are familiar with. Now we are going this setting options, and we are making quiz. That quiz option is there, that make the quiz, and immediately after each submission that release grade. So if you submit, you will get the score, and it will see the missed question and correct answer and point values. For example, I don't want the correct answer, means I am disabling it. So after making all these changes, I saved, and here I can add the answer key. For example, Delhi is the answer key. Here 50 is the mark. So like that, after making it, I made it done. I am duplicating it. So is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Okay. The same thing I am using here, answer key, it is Chennai. I remove it, and here it is 50 point. Okay, done. So I have created questions for 100 marks. You can see the total points is 100. So now we can save this question, and after making this, you have to design a certificate. or you have to link this quiz with the certificate generative add-ons. For that you have to, now you can see one add-on is here. This is called Certify-M add-on. How to install Certify-M add-on? You have to use this more option. If you click more option, you can see the bottom, you can see the add-ons. If you click add-ons, it will show the list of add-ons, available add-ons list. So from that you have to select Certify-M. Just here I am typing Certify-M. For example, you can see Certify-M. So now it shows it is installed in this account. So if it is not installed, just click it and install it. So once if you install Certify-M, automatically you will get this icon like this. So after installing Certify-M add-ons, you will get this icon. Just click the icon and here Certify-M is there. So now you can check and click the add-on and Certify-M. You can see the enable Certify-M in this quiz. If you click this option, you will get started. Just click the button. Automatically a panel will appear in the right hand side. Now you can see the Certify-M. So after creating the quiz, you have to install the add-on Certify-M, and after installing you will get this icon, and if you click it will add here. Now you can see the first option is certification is off. You have to turn on after all these settings. Now you can see the passing percentage, how many percentage the certificate has to be released. If it is 80, I make it 50. So those who got marks 50 plus more, they will get certificate. Here the template is ready. For example, golden is there. You can click this preview all. So there are a lot of templates. Now you can see the certificate templates. So here you can see the templates. From these templates you can select any one of the certificates. Suppose if you are not satisfied with the templates, just you can close it. You can design your own certificate. For that you can click this template and go to use a custom template. So before selecting this option, you have to create a template of your own. So for that, again I am leaving this page and I am going to again the Google Drive. Here just you have to create a new, and from that go to Google Slides. For example, I am taking Google Slides from the Google Drive. So here I am going to make a certificate design. Just select a presentation and empty slide. So from that you can make a border. So I delete all these options. So if I can select the border here by drawing these options, or I can insert an image. For example, you can use Canva. Already you are familiar with Canva. So I am selecting a design in Canva here. For example, I have selected a design here and I can download. While downloading, you have to use the JPG image, not PDF, JPG image. Just after selecting it, I download. So automatically it will prepare and download. So like this, you can select a design or a certificate template from any kind of. So here I have downloaded a certificate border, orange simple sports certificate. So it is in the download folder. So after downloading it, again I am going to the slides. Now you can use the insert option. For example, insert image is there. Here from upload from computer, select this option, and here I am using the download folder. Select the appropriate design. Already you have downloaded, so you can select the appropriate design. So this is a design I have downloaded from Canva. So just I have placed in a proper shape. Now the border is ready. So after making the border, just type the text wherever you want. For example, here I am using the text, and font size, everything I can change. And I am making alignment, means I can use the alignment, for example center alignment. And the color also I can select the color. Okay, after making this, here I am using the merge field. For example, if you want to print the name, you can use using curly braces. I am using first name. So after making the first name, now the first name is ready. And after that I am copying this one, again the text field, I make it here. I can add the other text, other field. Other identifier 1. I am using other identifier 1 without space, just use curly braces. Here also use curly braces. So these are the merging fields. And after that I can make text, the static text, what are the things I have to make. For example, this is to certify is participated in the webinar or FDP of Mary Mother College, Periyakulam, like that I can give. So on so and so date, here I can give the name, principal. So like that I can fix it here. Here coordinator. So all these things, if you want image, you can add image, whatever you want you can add, wherever you can place some kind of animation, you can put the background color, everything you can put. So the here the first name is the field, and here the other identifier is the field. It will merge from the certify_m. So after making it, just I am saving it, my certificate. So I used my certificate and just to close it. So just to take the certify_m, and instead of selecting the template, use a custom template, and from that select the certificate. For example, select a new file. So it shows all the certificate files. What is a file I have selected? This is a file. So I am selecting this one and I am using save. So now I am merging the certificate design here. So here it, now you can see email me sample. So now it is linked, and you have to turn it on. Once the participant attend the quiz, and after submitting, the certify_m validates whether the participants got 50 or more. If she or he gets 50 or more, automatically the certificate will be delivered. So that way we can create a quiz and link with certify_m, so that automatically certificate will send to the email address which is mentioned in the quiz. So this way you can create a quiz or an assessment tool, and you can link the quiz with the certify_m add-ons, so that the participant will get the automatic certificate after attending the quiz. So now just I am turning it on. So automatically it will, if turn on means automatically once if you submit to the quiz, automatically certificate will be delivered. Otherwise we have to deliver manually. And each day that you will get 100 certificates. After reaching the 100 in one day, automatically it will be turned off. The certification is switched off so that it won't send the certificate, and the response also automatically not accepting response. For example, it will change into the not accepting response once it reaches the quota of 100 certificates. So now you have the clear idea how to create a quiz and how to link this quiz with the Certify-M add-ons to generate certificate for the students. So please try at least once. After that only you will get some kind of experiences and some doubts or clarification. You can get help from your friends or try to write as we are ready to help you. You can post your clarification through the Telegram group. We are always at your step to help you. So thank you for watching these videos for this past 5 days. We are very much grateful to you for your active participation, and we will meet in some other occasion. Thank you.